Hey, we're here at 9 o'clock at St. John's. Bloody late game. Looking forward to having another run around. Slim on players, so see how we go. Thank you.
It's time for us to wake up again, get ready for bed, and we'll just see how we go. Christian and Wilma Stevenson, they come next time. Now I know what it feels like because I missed one, so we'll see how we go. We'll back up, Ben and Faith.
Yep.
Hey, so I know you guys are scraping the barrel. John gave me a call about an hour ago. I'm here, hey. But long time I've seen you guys. Couldn't get to see you week.
Lovely atu. Had a good game today. Had some extra players come in. Had a good switch, no injuries, and extra visitors.
Hello.
What did you think of the game, Matu?
I thought you were winning, but you lost.
Okay, thanks.
Pakala first game with Rossi. Rossi de Pelé. Tata ola. Ko mamau ola. Taki. Tupe. O mai mo ki Maria. Pakwela.
Pakawelahi. There was a time of the game when we were actually winning. Well, I remember, all I know was that we're in A grade premiere, so that's all I know. That's all I'm going to go with. But there was one shoot at the end, he shot 3 4-pointers. Yeah, so that's all. But thank you very much. Yeah, go ahead and eat. Thank you. Go ahead.